We're trying to simplify and write in lowest terms these two fractions. And when you have fractions that are in parentheses and they're right next to each other and there's nothing in between, that means that they're being multiplied. So these fractions are being multiplied together. And when your fractions are being multiplied, if you can do some canceling first, cross-canceling, then that makes your job easier when you're trying to reduce later. So we want to try to do that, especially with those variables. And the best way to do it when you have variables and exponents in your problem is to write those variables out in factored form. And so let me show you what that means. If they're just numbers, we can leave those the way they are. So we'll have a 7 on top and a 3 on the bottom still. But in factored form, x to the third means x times x times x. So we list all those out. That's our first fraction. We'll do the same thing for the second one. X squared means x times x, and we'll just leave the 14 there. Okay, and you're looking for things that will cross cancel. For numbers, it's you want to find something that will divide in evenly to both numbers. So for example, the 7 and the 14, 7 will divide evenly into both of them. 7 divided by 7 is 1, so we cross that out and put 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2, so we cross that one out. And for the variables, any x that's up here and x on the bottom we can cancel also. So we'll just cross those out. There's one pair. We can cross out another pair. And that's all that we have for pairs that we can cancel. So let's multiply back together what we have. On the top, we just have 1. So 1's up there. And on the bottom, we have a 3 and a 2. So we multiply that together to get 6. And we have an x, so it's 1 over 6x, and that is in lowest terms already for us.